Hi, I'm Santiago from Deluxe Transformation by Santi. Today, I'm going to teach you how to design and create a geometric fuchsia wall.
So let's start doing something bold and creative with this wall and completely transform the atmosphere of this room. So let's do it now.
So we're going to need a tape, a ruler, a pen, a baby roller, and your favorite colors to paint your wall. I choose night sky as principal color and red symphony for the diamonds. And now that we have ready all our tools, it's time to dive into this project and do something truly special. My approach is meticulous. I start by measuring and marking where each line of tape will go. Then I apply the tape slowly, making sure there are no bubbles or holes. This is where things get interesting. I have to make sure the tape is perfectly aligned so the geometric shapes come out right.
Please don't forget to leave your like and subscribe if you want to support my channel.
Check all the tape lines to ensure they are correctly aligned and well adhered. This will ensure a professional result.
So now that we have taped the whole wall, we are ready to start painting.
I'm using Deluxe paints. For first coat and second coat, I got wash and wear. Then, for the last coat, I got high gloss super enamel. Choose the right roller. A medium nap roller is ideal for most wall surface. It holds enough paint to cover large areas while still being easy to control. When painting near the tape, roll away from the tape edge to prevent paint from seeping under. This will help achieve crisp, clean lines. To achieve a smooth and professional finish on your walls, it's essential to start with a proper sanding. Today, we'll be using a sanding machine to prepare our surface. Let's start with our second color, the red symphony for the diamonds.
forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it. Your support means the world to me and helps keep the channel growing.
Once I paint 4 coats of red symphony, I'm ready to start with the high gloss super enamel. For a professional finish, always paint from the top of the wall to the bottom. This technique helps achieve better results by preventing drips and ensuring even coverage. By painting from top to bottom, you'll achieve a clean and professional look with minimal effort.
The most tense moment comes when I remove the tape. This is the point of no return, where I see if my efforts have borne fruit or if I need to make corrections. I hope the lines are perfect. As I remove the tape, the treasure is revealed. Sharp lines and perfectly defined squares that transform the wall into a modern work of art. It's exactly what I was hoping to achieve.
Oh wow, I'm feeling so excited with the new official wall in my living room. The result is amazing. The wall has not only changed, but the whole room has a new vibe. It is the testament to the power of a little paint and a lot of precision. We are getting close to the end of this chapter number 1, and I just want to take the time to say thank you all for watching, and I'll show you a quickly preview about the chapter number 2. See you the next time. Bye.
This will be my little brother's room. I'm personalizing his room inspired on his favorite cartoons, Dragon Ball.
I'm bringing you something magical, a complete room transformation inspired by Dragon Ball with a special twist, a LED cloud ceiling. Each wall will be attributed to Vegeta, Cell, and Kakarot, using representative colors and symbols. Thanks for joining me on this adventure. Don't forget to subscribe for more DIY projects and creative transformations. See you next time.